This tutorial is going to go over the basics of using eBooks. eBooks are the same as the print books that you would find in the library, except the full text is available to you online. We're going to mostly cover eBrary, a platform that's popular for eBooks. First, let's start at the University Library System's homepage and make sure that the PitCat Plus tab is selected. Now, type in the name of your play or playwright and click on search or hit the enter button. Just as we mentioned before, not all of these items are even books, so we have to do a little bit of refining. First, let's click on the Book eBook checkbox under Content Type. Now let's tell PitCat Plus that we only want eBooks, not just books, by clicking on the Items with Full Text Online checkbox under Refine Your Search. Now we have a results list that has eBooks in it. Let's scroll down a little bit and find one that looks good. Alright, let's use Arthur Miller's Death of a Salesman. Click on the Full Text Online. This screen is more or less a preview screen. From here you can decide if the ebook looks like it's going to be helpful. You can browse the various chapters by clicking on the links on the side. You can page through them by using the arrow buttons above the text. If you want to see if particular topics are covered, you can use the index link and then browse the index. If it looks like this book is going to be helpful for you and you want some more options, click on the eBrary Reader button. The first time you click on this button, it's going to ask you to install some software. After you've installed the software, you should be able to use it without having to do so again in the future. Okay. In this screen, you have a lot more options available to you. You still have the links over to the side to navigate through the different parts of the book, and you still have the arrow buttons above that you can page through. However, once you're in here, you can also choose to print off particular sections, you can also highlight, and you can also use notes. However, it's worth noting that a lot of these features work best if you create an eBrary account and save the book to your bookshelf so that you can easily return to it. Let's go back to the other screen for a minute and look at the Sign In option. Click on Sign In. If you already have an account, you can sign in now, but you can also sign in using your Facebook account, or you can create a new account that you can use for the future. Again, one of the nice features of creating an account is that you can save books to your bookshelf and easily get back to them in the future. Also, if you've done any highlighting or note-taking, this will also save.